How to redeem Duolingo promo code. Now, first thing you want to do is pull up your preferred browser. In this case, I'm currently using my Google Chrome browser since I'm using my PC for this tutorial. And then go ahead to Duolingo official's website. Now, once you're here, you'll just have to make sure that you are currently logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, just simply create one. Just visit the website and you'll need to register, maybe connecting it through your Google account. Now, once you already have an account, to redeem a promo code is you just go ahead to shop, located at the upper left corner of your screen. Now, if you have a promo code available to be redeemed, it will show on the bottom part of this page. And then the only option that you can click is redeem. Now, once you click on that, you will be routed to a next page in which you need to enter your gift code. Once you have entered your gift code, just simply click on apply and you will be able to redeem your Duolingo promo code. So that's basically it. That's how you can redeem your Duolingo promo code.